The City of Angels is the capital of Thailand with a population of approximately 10 million people. Bangkok no doubt consider किया जाता है as the hub for most of the commercial and economical activities in the Kingdom of Thailand. Meanwhile, ये शहर center of attraction है for tourists from all over the world. Bangkok की attractive sites की वजह से इसे Venus of East भी कहा जाता है. Bangkok is known for its large green sections within the city center, including the large forest park between Yanava and Samut Parakan, a must-seen place. Bangkok is considered to be one of the world's tourist hotspots. इसको थाईलैंड का मेजर टूरिस्ट गेटवे कहा जाता है because majority of the foreign tourists Bangkok ही विजिट करते हैं. हिस्टोरिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर देखा जाए तो Bangkok definitely has excellent venues such as Grand Palace, Wat Phu, Wat Arun and many more. Visitors के लिए Bangkok बिलाशुबा एक complete package है. From temples, Grand Palace, largest shopping centers, recreational places and largest outdoor market of Asia. अगर लैंग्वेज की बात करें तो यहाँ स्टैंडर्ड थाई लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है. English, a mandatory subject in public schools, is widely spoken and understood in business and tourist areas. और अगर फूड लवर्स की बात की जाए तो बैंकॉक का नाम बिल्कुल भी मिस नहीं किया जा सकता बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा प्योर थाई कुजीन which is justifiably rich, delicious, different and affordable. Some of the beautiful sites in Bangkok that you must visit: the Grand Palace, Bangkok Temples, Bangkok Canal, Tamnon Suduk Floating Market, Crocodile Farm, Dusit Zoo, Dream World, Siam Park, Bangkok National Museum, Moana Buran Ancient City. If you are planning to visit Bangkok, so there are so many reasons to go there like Bangkok nightlife, its culture, shopping and extremely beautiful sights. Just kickstart your journey and enjoy your lovely trip. Bangkok.